Hello there everyone on this beautiful Saturday, and while my chef is cooking me my favorite Saturday lunch, I decided to do this huge update for you guys on Bitcoin price and what is happening. And basically, we have absolutely astonishing movement right now, and this is a weekly chart, guys. So in the weekly chart, we are seeing right now, focus, incredible volume coming in, and oftentimes we're seeing big volumes before some big movements actually start to happen right here. Also in this big, huge candle, which happened basically in 2019, we also saw a big weekly candle with some big volume, and this was actually the end of the bear market right here. I mean, it still was bear market, you could argue, but it was actually ended with, theoretically, you could also say that it was ended with this huge weekly candle with huge volume. And this is what we are basically seeing right here, right now. And that's the reason why I've decided to make this video, to give you an update on everything that is happening. Because guys, I told you that our target is currently at around $20,000 in all of my previous videos. And again, if you appreciate these updates and me coming out every single day giving you guys updates on fundamentals, technicals, trades, etc., then I'm hoping that you're actually hitting that like button and also calling me Mr. Spot On down in the comments right now. And also, if you're brand new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, so you're always notified when I make a new upload. Because guys, this is absolutely incredible. I told you in the previous videos that our target is about $20,000 for this up move right here. So anywhere from 19,500, this resistance, and also this resistance right here at 20,200. So if you've been in this long trade, then congratulations. And if I were you, I would be taking some of my profits right now. Not all of it, again, depending on your outlook, depending on your trading strategy, you can be taking some profit right now. Why? Because huge resistance is currently coming in right here. So I mean, it's quite obvious, you know, this dotted line also, it's used to be huge support for us, and now it's turning into a huge resistance. So and right now we are basically in a huge danger zone, and the next danger zone of huge resistance coming in at 22,500, and we were actually halfway to it with quite a bit of volume right here, and that coincides with this order block and also this order block. So this is the next area of resistance. So far, and this could be our next target and the next take profit area. And guys, before we continue, remember that on this YouTube channel, I'm giving you the realest updates. And I told you before, and you know, a lot of people sometimes miss my videos. I understand everybody has their own schedule, but you must be watching every single video I put out from the beginning and until the end, because let's take a look at this. This is my YouTube channel. I posted this video that I'm buying 30 Bitcoin, crazy or genius. It was 2 months ago. And where was the Bitcoin price? Let's check it out. So 2 months ago, Bitcoin price was right here. So it was about 16,500. So arguably in this up move, I've made roughly what? Who can calculate it? And go down into the comments and actually post the amount of money I've made literally over a few days. It was about $150,000 that I've made from this up move on my spot trade. And I told you guys about this spot trade that I'm doing. Again, none of this is financial advice. This is just what I'm doing. I'm just excited because I made $150,000 in just literally a few days. And I told you about it. So, and certainly, I mean, I also posted this video right here, Ultimate Bitcoin Warning, and this is not the bottom. So it was about 1 month ago, where I actually, and I'm gonna link it up here, you can check it out once again, everything I've said and everything I've been saying before, that do I really believe that this is the end of the bear market? Answer is no. I think that we could potentially still see lower prices in Bitcoin in a short-term perspective. And again, as I showed in this video, as I explained in this video, that we could see some kind of a short-term pump, you know, for some kind of a relief rally that was absolutely overdue, because we cannot just keep dropping and dropping and dropping. There has to be some kind of a liquidity grab, something to go to the upside, especially with the current very positive CPI reading, which was just as positive as this beautiful Dubai view from our penthouse. So this had to happen. And I kept telling you that in a short-term perspective, we could see a relief rally. How big it's going to be, nobody knows. Nobody's going to ever tell you. But I still think that we're going to put in lower prices at some point within 2023, depending what's going to happen with Fed, etc. By the way, guys, I'm currently on my Instagram. So if you're not, if you're not following me on Instagram, go to Instagram. This is my username, Thomas Krallo. So there are many fake accounts, be careful. And in this actual post right here, oh Jesus Christ, I have to log in. So this post right here, I'm giving away $7,820 worth of amazing stuff. I'm giving away cash as well as my famous trading education. And by the way, tomorrow is also the last day of the 40% discount on my famous trading education. Link down in the description of this video. And tomorrow I'm going to be announcing the random winners of this giveaway. So go to my Instagram right now, and there are instructions in this post as how to actually join this huge giveaway. There are going to be 5 huge winners, total prizes totaling almost $8,000. And certainly, if you want to see all of my personal trades and the trades of my team, then go down into the description of this video right now and join my famous free Discord channel where we actually post all of our trades, my personal trades and trades of my team. And the trading results are absolutely, I mean, not every trade is a profit, of course, but for the most part, we're doing much better than really any hedge fund out there. And all you want is to join this VIP section right here. And there is an instruction of how to join it. It's very easy to do, just a few steps to complete, and all the trades are here with all the explanations. So if you want to learn and see what are the trades that we're taking, then again, link down in the description of this video. So also guys, you know why I'm so excited? Because if we're going to take a look at the overall, let's turn off the volume in the Bitcoin price. This is what I told you, and I absolutely love it, because guess what? Short, the naysayers, the Karens, the ones that are shorting Bitcoin to $3,000 got liquidated. Yes! About $1 billion was lost on shorts. So this is absolutely beautiful. I mean, just look at this price action. Look at how resilient Bitcoin has been. So we actually wiped out, with this whole bottom move, we wiped out the actual collapse of FTX. Certainly, the collapse of FTX was a big problem for us, and this was what caused this drop right here from $21,000 all the way to, what was it, $15,600. And now we went all the way up to $21,000. So this is how resilient Bitcoin is becoming. The deeper we're going into this bear market, let's go to a weekly chart. The deeper we're going into the bear market, let me remove the drawings actually, so in this way you will understand exactly what I'm seeing. And let me just hide them real quick, and let's just make it a little bit bigger, and you will see that with every time, first we had this massive drop, then this fake pump, then massive drop, and then this drop, smaller drop, and a small drop, and now finally we're gaining this momentum to the upside. So the narrative is starting to change. Again, I think that this, I mean, if this, $16,000 right here, if this wasn't the bottom yet, then I believe we could, even see some kind of a continuation, because again, we're seeing a lot of pump, a lot of volume right now. So we could see some kind of continuation, even breakout right here, which would be, the confirmation of potential trend shift. But then I still think that depending on the macro environment, we could jog along into 2024. So I wouldn't be very hopeful for 2023, but just in general, for all the naysayers saying Bitcoin has no value, it's all rubbish, who don't understand the true proprietary rights behind Bitcoin. The only true asset that you can truly own, that is truly scarce, that is the most unique and the most advanced and futuristic type of money out there, and the real commodity, these people they're gonna miss out. Oh my God, they're gonna miss out so much on so much money. I mean, I have so much Bitcoin, and when it goes far past $100,000, it's gonna make me a very wealthy man. This is what I've been doing. This is what I've been accumulating. That's what I've been accumulating. This is what I've been teaching you guys to do. Don't miss, again, not financial advice, but this excites me, because if it were to be a Ponzi scheme, we wouldn't be seeing this right now. Bitcoin is performing better than dividend paying assets. So many tech stocks are much lower right now in terms of their price than Bitcoin is. So, and this speaks volumes, when actually the capitalization of certain of those stocks could be just as much as Bitcoin, or a little bit less or a little bit more, so they're just as big. So this is just unbelievable, the time right now, that with everything that we've seen, the collapse of all these huge players that were just a curse for the industry, we are still trading at $20,000, which is actually our previous all-time high right here from 2018. So everything is going according to plan. Guys and girls, and this is a reminder that I have to do some workout, and that's what I'm gonna do. But guys, believe in Bitcoin, because this is the hardest time right now, which is gonna come to the end. And those of us who are staying strong, the diamond hands, That's why I've bought 30 Bitcoin. Again, I'm gonna link a video right here 2 months ago. And I told you I'm buying 30 Bitcoin. When there was this FTX collapse at about 16,000 something per Bitcoin, I was buying Bitcoin. I wasn't selling Bitcoin. Only weak hands are selling Bitcoin. And the ones, trust me, I'm gonna use this video two years from today. And I'm gonna tell you exactly, you know what? I'm gonna tell you, I told you so. Peace and love. Thomas Krallo. Stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.